Hello and welcome. I'm Sylvia from Kitchen Creations, and on today's episode I'll be making an amazing whiskey pecan pie or pecan pie. Now that Thanksgiving is around the corner, here are my ingredients: 9-inch pie crust, unsalted butter, salt, cornstarch, eggs, light corn syrup, pecan, white sugar, brown sugar, vanilla, and of course whiskey. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. First, take your pie dish and spread butter all over the pie dish. Just
now
like
with the
so.
fork,
Now take your pie crust
and create a cute
and
design.
place it right in here. This looks great. Now set this aside. Now take your pecan and now we're going to give them a rough chop. Now take your pie crust and your chopped pecan and we are going to layer them in the bottom of the pie crust. In a large bowl, add your sugar, your eggs, your melted butter, and your vanilla. Cornstarch and your salt. Now we're going to whisk this until everything is all combined, just like so. Just make sure everything is broken up and there's no visible lumps. Now add in your corn syrup. Now give it a good whisk. Now that everything is completely smooth, take your whiskey and we are going to add about a tablespoon of whiskey in here. So don't worry about the alcohol content in this whiskey because once you bake it, all that alcohol will be evaporated. Now that this looks great, go ahead and pour it right over the pecans. This looks so good. So now what we're going to do is grab some tin foil and we are going to gently cover this pie. Just like so. Now stick it in the oven and bake for 30 minutes. Hey guys, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. So now after 30 minutes, what you want to do is go in and remove the tin foil. After removing the tin foils, we are going to bake this for another 20 minutes or until it no longer jiggles in the center. Hello guys, as you can see, my pecan pie is out of the oven and my whole house smells incredible. Thank you so much for baking with me today and I'll catch you guys later.